chat. Welcome to another stream. It is about to be the 25th of December of 2020, and we are here for the very, very last day. Oh, and my hair is all over the place. Very, very last day of Advent of Code. It's finally come to an end. It's been it's been a long month. Holy goodness. Although, on the other hand, I feel like it's also gone faster than I expected, so I don't know. It's been fun. But we're here for the last day. Let me get set up since I am not set up at all. I was a little bit late for the stream today. I lost track of time. As it goes, get status cp-r. Alright, day 24, input 2. Day 0 to day 25. And open this up. Be ready here. The highlighter that I used for Pigment or Pigment CI is broken, so that's why I have this open. It was slightly messed up for 15 minutes before I noticed. Where are we? AOC 2020, day 25, Python part 2.py. No. PyTest part 2.py. And Python part 2.py. FC, replace 2 with 1. And then download input 2020 25. Okay, we're ready to go. Let me say hi to everyone, and then I'm going to blow my nose before I started. I should really do that before I click on. Hey, what's up, iSatisfied? Hello. Who is first today? Dragon Slayer says not first. It's true. How's it going, Rollers? Hello. And oh, Papa Pig, good to see you again. The end of the server says, can't believe it's already the last day. Time is flying. It's true. It's been a fast but also slow month. And we're finally here. Merry Christmas, fellow AW coders. Hello. Oh, Papa Pig. Oh, I missed the drop song. Did it happen right as the music started? I think this is the drop song. We'll play it again. This one? Yeah, I think it's this one. Anyway, there you go. You get the drop song. Hey, what's up, Sammy Voss? Hello. Still waiting on day 26, right? Hey, what's up, Eric? Hello. Or hello. That was basically enough, right? But yeah, we're here for day 25. I won't spoil it, but today might be shorter. Might be shorter. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Oh, it's coming off the screen for you guys. Well, you'll just have to deal. I'm going to be clicking slightly down here. I have to do that so that I can click back and forth between my VM and my browser. So I scoot the bottom part of it just off the screen so I can click on it. But yeah, let's see. What did I do today? I forgot to open my Streamlabs. That's what I forgot to do today. Hey, what's up, Sparkly Dark Matter? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing well. I worked a little bit on Pigment CI today. I realized that I was missing. This is a kind of secret endpoint that only works for me. Pandas dev. I realized I was missing a piece to GitHub's app setup where you can temporarily soft delete installation, and I was just not handling that at all. So yeah, I fixed that. So now you get soft deleted repositories, and this is what was crashing the auto updater real hard. And so now Pigment CI understands soft deletes, and so this shouldn't happen anymore. Knock on wood. Hey, what's up, Airbounds? Last day hype. That's true. It's true. We're ready. I'm actually gonna blow my nose real quick, and I will be right back. I'll see you in a sec. Alright, we're back. Hey, what's up, Michaela? Hello, hello. The way 2020 is going, there might be a day 26, right? Right? Hey, what's up, I'm a Ditto? Hello, hello, Merry Christmas. You can't say Merry Christmas until it unlocks. I mean, it's already UTC Christmas, so that counts, right? Right? That's how that works. Why would you even want to suspend pregnancy? I don't know. But apparently Panda's dev has, so I had to make sure that that worked. Null Nonin says, I've written at least 3 neighbors functions this year, but no maze yet. Right, we have had 3 Game of Lives, but no mazes yet. I don't think we're gonna have a maze today. Although I'm confused where the thing has ended up here. I'm not sure what happened here. Oh my goodness, that MOTD is so good. When did you set that, Eric? I assume you set that, because that's... Oh, that's good. That's good. I love it. Watch today be a maze generated by Game of Life. Yo, that would be so dope. I'm a Ditto! Thank you for the sub! Appreciate the subscription. Merry Christmas. It's a helicopter shooting lasers at Australia. I mean, you can kind of, it kind of does look like that in a way. Oh, you said it yesterday. Nice, nice. In before today's problem is to do an even bigger puzzle. I don't know. I think if anything is telling me what today's puzzle is going to be, it's going to be a not maze, but another Game of Life. Nice, you have all the emotes now, I wanted to know. Hey, what's up, Masters8 and Unlimited Bytes? Good to see both of you. Welcome back. I am exhausted. I have been computering all day, and so I'm tired. But I'm hoping that doesn't impact us too much. I think we'll be good. I think we all know who's getting permabanned if day 25 is disappointing. N-dimensional Game of Life. We already had one of those, right? Oh, we had a 3 and 4 dimensional one. We didn't really have an n-dimensional one. Here's your input in a dancer, now generate a puzzle. You know, one thing that we haven't had this year that we've had in previous years is an unscrambling. One where it generates like Ascii art. We had a couple of those last year. I never finished last year. I need to finish last year. We had a couple of those last year, but we haven't had one of those this year. So maybe today will be the Ascii Art Puzzle. What did we have? There were some of those in 2018, right? Right? Yeah, there were some Ascii Arts in 2018. We haven't had an Ascii Art this year, so... I know, we'll see. We also haven't had a maze puzzle this year, so... No mazes, no Ascii Art. Don't know what's going on here. Hey, what's up, Pailang? Hello, hello. I've never done day 25, so the bar for this one is low. Okay, well, I won't spoil it then. But there's something special about day 25. No Christmas for you at all this year. I mean... Yeah, I just did work all day. But... We must find the ultimate answer to the ultimate answer... Wait, the ultimate question to the ultimate answer of life, the universe, and everything. Wow. The answer is 42, then. So today's the day where we have to find a path through an ASCII sentence. Maybe. Or we have to, we have to what? We have to generate a Game of Life maze that solving the maze gives you an ASCII sentence? I don't know. Something like that. Working all day is Christmas really, it's kind of true. Hey, what's up, Johnny Man? Any news on a stream tomorrow or the next one on Saturday? Yeah, I will be streaming tomorrow, assuming, you know, nothing happens, so I'll see y'all tomorrow. On Christmas. Because I got nothing else to do. Hey, what's up, G Fixler? Hello, hello. Still don't have a good general Game of Life code. Probably should have prepared one. Yeah, I've mostly written the same thing each time. I I think I can get it. Well, the thing is, it changes a little bit. Oh, this glass is chipped. I think it's just scratched. Maybe it's okay. Yeah, I don't really know how well to generalize it though. Unlimited Byte says, I guess something like key generation or compiler writing. Nonon says 2019 day 25 was really fun. I haven't done 2019 day 25 yet, so don't want to spoil it. I did 2018. I don't remember it at all though. Other than I know one thing about day 25. But we'll see. We'll see. Should be fun either way. That's why we're doing this. Okay, let's get that in a good spot. In case I need another tab. Chatbot's running. This is in the sample input spot, and we've got 2 minutes to go. Day 25 was a maze, I think. Don't really remember. From AOC, import answer. Yeah. Good old import anti-gravity, but with advent of code. And before that actually works. D25 was amazing. Amazing. From Anthony Wright's code, import hello hello. That might actually work. Although I don't think I have made an Anthony Wright's code module yet. From AOC, import a sense of panic. But anyway, down to the last minute and a half. I think I'm gonna turn my lights off actually, because it's kind of bright. It's kind of late, so we're gonna get old school Anthony stream, where this is the lights that you get. I guess I'm gonna turn this light on. We get yellow Anthony Wright's code. Less than a minute. It's true. It's true. Def AOC returns sleep. I mean, that's gonna be my advent of code slot tomorrow. If only we could see the timer. I mean, you can kind of see it. If I can give you a few more pixels. No, I'm not gonna give you more pixels. You'll just have to deal with not knowing it's there. Moody stream. From import from. I believe that is a syntax error. Because keywords. But that would be interesting. You gave us less pixels. It's true, it's true. Oh shit, I gotta press this button. Damn it, chat. Oh no, I clicked on 24! Okay. It's a number. Cryptographic handshake. Transforms the subject number. To transform numbers, start with the value 1, then a number of times called the loop size. Perform the following steps. Set the value to itself multiplied by the subject number. Set the value to the remainder after dividing the value by this. That number is super ominous. Is there gonna be a day 26? The number of times called the loop size. Is that this input? Oh god, I should just fucking read instead of bouncing around. Answer uses a card and the door involves operation that transfers the subject number. Loop size. Set the value to itself multiplied by the subject number. Set the value to the remainder after dividing the value by this. So this is actually, yeah, div. Okay, cool. Handshake works like this. A card transforms the subject number of 7 according to the card's secret loop size. The result is called the card's public key. Oh boy. Cryptography. Suppose that you know the door's public key. What is your public... Where? Card in the door, use wireless RFID. 2 public keys, your private, your input. Okay, so we have 2 public keys. Which is the card and the door. Okay. Card lines equals s dot strip dot split lines. Card equals int lines 0. Door equals int lines 0. Okay, we have parsed them. And what is the sample input? No sample input. No sample input? No, we do have a sample input. Card. Oh my goodness. It's not in its standard format. By the same process, you can turn the door's loop size as 11 because transforming the initial subject number of 7 with the loop size of 11 produces this. Okay, so encryption key is the answer. Okay, let's figure out this algorithm now. The card transforms the subject number of... So the loop size is unknown. Unfortunately for the door, you know a thing or two about cryptographic handshakes. Start with the number 1, then multiply a number of times called the loop size. Then a number of times loop size, do the following steps. Set the value to itself multiplied by the subject number. Set the value to the remainder after dividing the value by that. What encryption key is the handshake trying to establish? We need to find a loop size. Oh my goodness, I'm having such a hard time reading this. So what do we have? We have the public keys, or do we have something else? Is 7 always... 7 is that, so we gotta figure out the loop number, I guess. Okay, so we gotta find the loop number of one of them or both of them. So let's just do this the dumb way, I guess. Set the value to itself multiplied by the subject number. So the subject number is always 7. Start with the value 1, then a number of times. Okay. N equals 1. While n does not equal target. We do what? N times equals 7. And then n mod equals this. N mod equals 20, 20, 12, 27. This should say 1. Okay, we have those two now. That part's easy. Transforming the subject number. Oh. Yay! Yay! Okay, we did it. That's out of code. Apparently, I was I beat 55 people to just or 57 people to clicking the last thing. Okay, that was way easier than I thought it was going to be. But I also, like, super fucked up the reading on this. The reading was a bit much. But once I figured out what I needed to do, like, it wasn't so bad. I'm also surprised that I didn't need to actually do any special inference about this. But anyway, we're done. I assume T-Bot-T beat me today, because this one wasn't that hard and I was super puzzling on it. Which means T-Bot-T will definitely be on the top indefinitely with 2,900 points. Good job, T-Bot-T. I'll get you next year. But yeah, we're done. Let me say hi to everyone in chat. I think we can do this one in sqlite, to be honest. It's not that bad. I look at it on my own computer, but I just haven't been doing any ASC for the last dozen days. That's fair, it's fair. If he doesn't get points on day 25, it's only because he missed the start by 2 seconds. I don't know that 2 seconds actually would have saved me. I just needed a nice festive prime that was the closest one with the properties I wanted. It's true, it's true. That one does work. It's like crazy close too. Battle says, seems like someone really likes modular arithmetic this AOC. I mean, most of them are. I'm number 100. Does that mean I get exactly 0 points? You get 1 point for 100. Intronex says, did you ever do web RTC stuff in Python? I have no idea how to use AAO RTC. The examples and docs aren't great. I have not played with RTC. No, unfortunately. Hey, what's up, Brexroof? Hello, hello. Merry Christmas to you as well. You think the tie pins help him? I don't know. It's a good habit. They help me with other stuff. I don't know if they help me with AOC, though. Seems I do worse and worse on the global leaderboard each year, so someday you'll catch up. Oh, no. Oh, no. But good game. Well played. Merry Christmas. Indeed, indeed. Yeah, but anyway, the spoilers for day 25 is part 2. You just click the second thing afterwards. So yeah, the second part's really easy as long as you have all the other stars. But yeah, I guess we can clean this up a little bit. Or we can just leave this. But let's commit it at the very least. We can just add all of day 25 today, because there's only one part. Day 25, part 1. This is another year of Advent of Code that I've completed. My second complete year, I guess. Because, yeah. Oh, I did figure out a cool thing about day 25 offline. I tweeted about this, so if you follow me on Twitter, you'll know this already. And this is relevant for day 24 solution. You can toggle the membership of a item in a set by using the symmetric difference operator. And so this is useful for toggling a square for yesterday's problem, which is kind of cool. But yeah, that's that. How would I do this one in SQLite? Do we want to do in SQLite? Sure. We gotta keep up the tradition, right? I think this one's gonna be easy in SQLite. Pang says, I've been pretty consistent with my annual AOC score. Nice. Vettel says, I solved yesterday's problem by doing it brute force in R3. What's R3? I don't know what R3 is. Day 24, part 1, not SQLite to here. So we read those inputs, and we actually can create table input n card int. Card is a built-in? I guess cardinality, card n. Door n int. I can get rid of this. Let's see, insert into input n. Select subster. Input dot value 1. Inster input dot value char 10. 1, 2, 3. So that should get our first line. Stubster input dot value. Just gonna do this just for sanity's sake. Inster input dot value char 10. Okay, so that's our input. Then we gotta do this loop here. With recursive. in in. I need two. What is the recursive syntax? You'd think I would know by now, right? After doing all of these with recursives. With recursive as select and then union all. Select from NN where. Okay, so we need to figure out our loop for one of them. We don't need to know it for the other one. Hey, what's up, developer Curtis? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you were doing well. 0 and 1. Union all select. We gotta do our loop, which is nn dot I plus 1, nn dot n times 7 mod 2020 12 27, where nn dot n does not equal select input n dot card n. I guess we can do door n. That way it's exactly what I did here, so we figure out the door size. Select max nn dot I from insert into door loop size. Create table door loop size and int. I don't actually know what we get for that door size. Let's see. Get loop size door. What do we expect to get here? This big ol' number. Input n dot o. One, two, four, five, 3, 9, 8. Okay, that's good. And then we have to do another one of these with recursive in as select 0, 1, union all. Times, how does this work? Times the subject number, which should be the card. Select input n dot card n from input n mod 2020 12 27, and then where nn dot I is less than less than or equal to select door loop size dot n from door loop size. This might be off by 1. We will try that. Select nn dot n from nn where nn dot I equals select door loop size dot n from door loop size. And I predict that this will actually be slower than the Python solution ever so slightly. No such column nn dot I. What do you mean no such column nn dot I? That's right here. What? Oh. Never mind. Your message was right. Is that the right answer? Yep. It is indeed. Yeah, it takes 2 seconds versus a second. That's to be expected. Oh. Day 25, part 1. And then day 25, part 1 in sqlite. And that's Advent of Code for this year, which is great. Finally says score root to 0, by the way, I see. You can represent a 2D array of hexagons in R3. A, B, and C, like a 2D plane of hexagons, not an array. Okay, well, I'm gonna nod my head and pretend I know what we're talking about, but sounds great. Perfect. Elsp says, I was stuck on the subject number thing for a while today. I was all over the place reading. I was super not... I was a little scatterbrained, not gonna lie. Mikhail says, that was easy. Maybe we should do something else now on stream. I don't know. I think I might watch some YouTube and go to bed. I've had a long ass day. And it's basically Christmas, so I should probably, you know, take some break, you know? Marriage of Mine says, it's incredible how fast you are. I mean, I was decently fast this year. I was decently fast. Leaderboard, personal stats. I'm surprised like how many people don't click the part 2. But let's see. There was only one where I didn't do the part 1 in the first... Oh, I did all of the part 1s in the first hour. That's actually pretty impressive. This was my slow one. Day 15. What was day 15? That one doesn't sound like it was hard. Day 15, part 1. What was this one? Oh, this was this. Oh, God. This was the fucking number counting puzzle. Oh, and this is because I was just so confused. I was so confused on this problem. That's why it took forever. It wasn't hard. I was just like brain broken for some reason. But yeah, that's why this one took so long. But then part 2, I got it in 5 minutes. So, let's see. For part 2, I had 1, 2, 3. I had 4 that were over an hour. But yeah, pretty good. I'd say I did pretty well this year. I was pretty happy with this. Merry Christmas indeed, Marriage of Mind. We want a long Christmas stream. Well, I'll be streaming tomorrow, so I'll see you there. I Satisfied says, these streams were so great to watch. I'm glad you enjoyed them. Is it normal for part 2, day 25 to not have a puzzle? Yes, that is normal. That is normal. This is also the most points that I've gotten in 1 year. Granted, I've only tried to get points. Sorry. I've only tried to get points the last 2 years, and last year I had to leave at like day 18 or whatever, and so I didn't have opportunities to get points after that. But I guess I only got points 1 day after day 18, so it's not like it made that much of a difference. But yeah, this was fun. I you know, I enjoy this every year, so I'm really glad that Eric puts this together. You should finish 2019. Yeah, I should. I should learn the math for day 22, or figure out how to fucking yellow it with Z3. How mad are you that there were no mazes? There were no mazes and no Ascii puzzles, Talent Deficient. I'm not mad. I think mazes are fine. I'm okay with there not being a maze. But yeah, it was a little bit surprising, for sure. But anyway, I think that's going to wrap us up for today, and I'll see you tomorrow. But my name is Anthony. I upload my previous content to YouTube. That's youtube.com/AnthonyWritesCode, where you can find previous streams and Advent of Code solutions and educational videos. And I upload educational videos once a day on various topics. You ask questions, and then I explain them. I stream Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. I will also be streaming tomorrow and Saturday, so stop by for that. I announce my streams in 2 places. One of those is on Twitter, and that's twitter.com/codewithanthony. Where I haven't announced a stream since Monday, so anyway, ignore that. I also announced them on the Discord, so feel free to join that as well. But thank you all for stopping by, and let's go find someone to raid.